Welcome in, Renegades. Today we have a good video for you today because ICP is the most important crypto for the 2025 bull run, and we're going to show you why today. Now, I was telling you in our video on, I believe it was Monday of this week, that it is time to get in. The time is now for the Internet Computer, because once we reach January 24th, they are going to have Valor Incorporated launching an ETP for the Internet Computer. So this is why the price went absolutely parabolic today. I've been telling you about this, and it hit my price targets almost exactly. We went from $10.50. I was looking at about the $10 range. We did wick down to about $9.50. I was looking at about the okay, we're a little bit loud on there. Just wanted to make sure my volume's good. I kind of adjusted it and everything. So we have a big announcement. We are doing an airdrop. It is looking like about a $5,000 to a $6,000 airdrop of ICP Renegade NFTs. Now we are doing giveaways on Twitter. Let's go take a look at that. There's going to be a giveaway every single day. They're going to last for 48 hours. You have a chance to get yourself an ICP Renegade NFT before the launch, and if you buy another one, then you will be able to get one airdrop. So you basically get 3 for the price of 1. So that's pretty cool. We are going to show you this over here. We're doing really good. One just sold for 15 ICP. So let's go to Entrepot real quick. Just look at this. We'll go to that, and then we'll get to the news. We have some big news, and we're going to look at what are the prices going right now. So things are looking amazing in the ecosystem and just with everything in the Internet Computer, especially with this ETP launching. But as you see, here's our collection right here, ICP Renegades. We have a floor price of, I believe, 8.69 ICP right here. So this is cool. You can get one. If you look, I believe there might be a CKBTC emblem on this. You got to check each bike and see if it has the CKBTC emblem. I believe this one might not have it. It's not on every bike. So you're going to want to find a bike that has that CKBTC emblem on it. There's some on this bike. There's some on other ones, but this one is going. And if we go over here to Twitter, I just want to show you this giveaway we're doing. We're having DK Lord do a giveaway, partnering with him, and we're just doing a bunch of other ones right now. So you can check this out over here on my Twitter. Right. And we donated 2 to the digital art showcase too. Literally speechless. Shiloh Va just donated not 1, but 2 wizards to the treasure chest. So the treasure chest is over $1,000 now, and we just added 2 ICP Renegades with a floor price of about $100. So we just added 200 to that. So definitely go check out digital art showcase. I will link this over here. Thanks to Hank Olius for setting this up and getting this word out. So shout out Hank, thank you so much. And I'll get to these questions in a minute. I just want to kind of show you guys what is happening over here real quick. So we got that one, which is going to be definitely watching them to see how you're going to get that treasure chest. I made this call right before this video right here, so check out my Monday video. Yeah, and here's one of our holders. But anyway, so where is this right here? Right here. So airdrop February 9th. We will be doing a 2-for-1 special. Every 2 ICP Renegades you hold, you will get 1 airdrop screenshot February 9th at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you have 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or 11, you still have time to pick up on Toniq and Entrepot. So you can get another one airdrop to you. But Agito did one. We just had him do it yesterday. We did DK Lord. So we're doing a lot. And then today, Victor's going to be doing one. Tomorrow, Ghost is going to be doing one. ICP Insider. And then I believe we have one for Saturday as well. So we just have tons and tons of stuff to give away. That way there's more on the open market, because right now there's only 19 right now. The floor price is looking pretty good. We just need more holders and then get rid of all the weak hands. And then as you see, a lot of these people are selling theirs for a lot. So that's cool. Now I want to show something very important for the ecosystem right here. Altcoin Daily. Before we go into this, let's go and look who Altcoin Daily is. Well, these are 2 brothers that make altcoin videos. They've been making them as long as I've been in. It looks like they joined in 2018 in the 2017-2018 bull run. So that's pretty cool. And well, what do they say? Well, these guys have 1.4 million followers. They only follow 806 people. They have a YouTube channel with millions of followers. I follow them, of course. Yeah, but so this is cool. Well, what are they talking about? Is this good for us? Is this bad? Well, he says 8,000 likes, and I explore the ICP ecosystem in depth. And I said, well, the ICP community welcomes you. And this isn't just a popular opinion. Somebody said right here, and I want to know your opinion. You can have a different opinion than me. That's fine. He says, we don't need them. Real utility always succeeds. And I don't agree. They have 1.4 million followers for one. That's like the most obvious reason. But these guys could really help spread the word about ICP. People are starting to notice ICP. As you see, this got 2.2 thousand likes. I mean, 8,000 just crazy. I don't think he gets 8,000 likes a whole lot. But 2.2 thousand is a lot. And I think it would be very good for the ecosystem to have these guys look into it, to get the word out about ICP, and then our bags go up too. And then maybe he's like, oh, wow, ICP is the shiznit. This is the most important crypto to watch for 2025 because this is, you know, the best blockchain that stores everything on chain. You have Bitcoin and Ethereum integrated. How could you not look at it? So I think 2.2 thousand, come on, man. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with the likes over here. Come show some love over here. But if we don't get 8,000, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Still do it. 2.2, that's pretty good, man. That you didn't say retweets though, so there'd be more retweets if you did, but lots of comments. So I think it's good for us. Now, I want to show you a new feature over here. As you see, here's our video right here, but this is open chat, right? And so if you go to open chat, and I just used this feature yesterday as we airdrop a bunch of stuff over here. So what you can do is you see Ghost, well, I don't have any ICP really. I couldn't do a prize. Well, if you go into here, into your Ghost, you can see that you can swap right here. You can receive, you can send Ghost, or you can swap. So you can do it right here in chain. So you could do it for EXE. You could do it for Windows, Internet Computer, Boom DAO. But for the sake of this video, let's just do ICP. I'm probably going to just turn it back and give it as gifts over here anyway. But say I wanted to do 1,000 ghosts and I want ICP. Well, I can quote this real quick and see how much I would get. It is basically 0.00000901 ICP per ghost. So then it looks like I will get 0.09 ICP for 1,000 ghosts. So then you just go to swap, and you can check that on ICP swap if you want, but this is ICP swap. So you can transfer ghost for ICP, or you can transfer ICP for ghost like I did. That's how I got the ghost over here. I didn't buy ghost on ICP swap and send it over here. I sent ICP over here, and then I just exchanged it for ghost really easily. And I'm just doing this. I'm probably going to swap it back to ghost, pay like 16 ghost fee, whatever. But yeah, that's how you do that. And it's pretty quick over here. It's just notifying ICP swap, instruct ICP swap to perform the swap. And this is pretty cool. I mean, right in the open chat. This is why I use this every day. And it gave me almost 0.09. So, and it isn't going to give you a whole lot less. There is a slippage, obviously. That's just the way crypto works. But we don't worry about 0.001 ICP for slippage, right? So yeah, just be aware of that. You can do that. You can send ICP over here, and then you can send prizes, swap complete. Look how fast that was. So now, as you see, I have 0.097 ICP over here. And if I want, I can buy more ghosts. I can trade ghosts for EXE, Sneed, Boom DAO, all these, Dogme. There's all sorts of stuff. And I don't even know if this Dogme is sendable anymore. They might have a new standard of Dogme. So I don't know. But this is cool. And then over here, you can do prizes. Let's just do a real quick prize over here. Ghost, we'll do like 1,000, not 1999. That was a long time ago. I remember that day, that year, that day, 1999, 9999. Okay, so just test. We'll just do this as a test. And then we're only going to do 10 winners. 11, that's fine. And I'm always going to do diamond, because there is a bot over here. I noticed it drained the thing really quickly. So that's something we need to be aware of, is there's bots out there, sucky bots. But yeah, we'll send this. As you see, boom. Now there's a prize message. You come over here. You can join the link in the description below to join the Bitcoin Renegade group. And we will be posting, we'll be giving away prizes. We might even give away an ICP Renegades NFT. If we get other people in here doing prizes, we get people talking, we get people sharing my videos, and then I might make moderators. So let's talk about that for a second. We're looking for channel moderators. And I'm not going to be doing this. Oh, I'm just going to pick anybody. What I am going to be Wow, I hope somebody caught that guy. Get Binky DeMauler. Yeah, get that guy out of here. So what we're going to be doing is looking for moderators, but I'm only choosing active people, and I'll probably just end up choosing people like Ants Rock New York, Rock Acid, Just Forfeit. But the thing is, we already have our moderators that are part of the ICP Renegades team. What we're going to do is we're going to allow moderators to be part of the channel. And then if you earn your way, so you earn your way to moderator by commenting, liking, sharing, just being active in the chat. And then once you make moderator, we're going to be looking for people to join the ICP Renegades team. So it's not just going to be if you're a moderator, you're on the team now. So it's going to go, Foxfire might actually be a good candidate too, if you would like. Actually, I would like to offer you to be a moderator right now. I'm going to make you a moderator. You don't have to do a lot, man, but you've been on the channel so much. We're going to make you a moderator just as a thank you for everything you've done. You don't have to do a lot. If you do want to be more part of the team and do stuff, then that's what you do. But he's been supporting the channel, supporting us in the project. You're part of us, bro. You're stuck with us now, so you're part of the channel, man. I had to do that, but I won't be so easily picking with other people unless you've been on the channel for a while, and I might actually go through and see who has, because I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Windoge. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm looking for other moderators, and I'm looking, and there might be a couple other people here I might choose. So HD Crypto, I've seen you a lot. He said, I got two good NFTs, We good with Plug Wallet for the airdrop, game coming out so I could hold and not flip. These might get pricey. So we're going to bring the game out. It might be a while. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It might be a while for the game, but we're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep storing money away. We're going to keep raising capital, and we are going to get this game built, man. 100% we're getting this game built. So, all right, let's get into more news. Nothing's going to stop us. Nothing. So next Monday, join Encode Club to talk about the Zero to dApp ICP F Hackathon they're hosting. Track 1, Awesome ICP. Track 2, ICP and Bitcoin. Track 3, ICP and Ethereum. So set your reminders and let's biddle. So this is a multi-chain Monday space that Dfinity does. This basically is like letting you know what's going on with cross-chain collaborations. This week is Encode Club. So this is really fire. Definitely get over here and check out their space on Monday. Set your reminders because this is where it's going down. This is where it's going down, man. It's going down. El Chingon. Actually, we're going to have another moderator today. Where are you? Right here. So we just added 2 moderators today, El Chingon and our boy Foxfire 420. So you guys are moderators now. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You guys are the best. Couldn't have done it without you at all. Not lying, man. You guys are my people. So let's go. All right. So here's a good old tweet by Toniq Williams. And I love that people are using my vernacular because, man, maybe Toniq Williams saw one of my videos, or maybe this is just a coincidence. But either way, I'm going to count this as, you know, a lot of my videos, I'm like, insane stuff is happening, crazy. That's kind of like my shtick, right? My spiel. So to see Toniq Williams use that, whether it's intentional, whether it's just a coincidence, I think that's cool. We think alike. So that's what that means. Either he saw my videos and thought, hey, that's a good thing to put, or he thinks the same way that I do and thinks that just a word like this is going to make people think, you know, cool stuff. And when really crazy stuff is happening, though, that's the cool thing is we say it, but we mean it. So I keep meeting major crypto journalists, investors, and project CEOs who are unaware that ICP creates blockchain networks you can actually build systems and services on, not just host tokens and NFTs. Largest R&D operation in crypto since early 2018. Shout out. These guys have been in the game longer than me. I've only been in the Internet Computer since 2021. So yeah, shout out to these guys for being the early. Shout out to Dom for leading the way, and shout out to Dom for all the BS he put up with at the World Economic Forum. So I heard that, you know, they kind of like tried to smash Dom a little bit, like kind of come at him, and he just kind of finessed them and made them look kind of stupid and just didn't even like pay any attention to what they said. So I think Dom just he's a boss, man. Like this guy, I'm going to meet you one day, bro. Teach me your boss skills. So Definity, one, meetups, boot camps, conferences, and real use cases. ICP hubs are making moves worldwide. That's pretty cool to see them using vernacular like that. Get the latest news here. It feels like I'm contributing to something. When I see people use stuff that works and other stuff, it really makes me think that I'm useful. So that's pretty cool. The Motoko Bootcamp from ICP Hub Latam is back. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. It's completely free for everyone. Enroll in the course now. So this is basically South America. This is the ICP Hub for South America, or at least this part of South America, right? Argentina, all that good stuff down there. So I'm pretty sure it's most of South America. Yeah, it doesn't really say exactly. So I just assume that it's all of South America. ICP Hub Balkan, which is in the Balkan Mountains, which is a lot of area, teams up with Data Pond AI to combine advanced AI capabilities with robust blockchain solutions. Discover all the details behind their partnership here. So this is good. This is good. And then now Italia. ICP Hub Italia joined a panel discussions at Polyme's Blockchain and Web3 Observatory Conference. They highlighted the crucial role of ICP within the Web3 landscape with focus on interoperability. So pretty cool. They're doing it big in Italy. And finally, ICP Hub Philippines, which I hope to maybe move to one day once ICP gets to $100, $300. I'm moving to the Philippines, buying a condo, and then living like a king for the rest of my life, and then just investing in crypto. Very tax-friendly, crypto-friendly country. So definitely shout out to the Philippines. ICP Hub Philippines brings blockchain education to universities. This time, STI Balak does. Students dive into building dApps on ICP. Support the hub's mission over here. So pretty cool, man. And they're doing it right down the road at the UW. Hopefully, Hobby will be on the channel. I'm going to try to connect with him tomorrow so we can get set up for our Friday live stream. Hopefully, we can get that going this week. If not, we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll do it as part of my next grant, but hopefully we can get him on this week. But if not, just don't hold it against me. You know, people are busy sometimes. So just know that. And don't hold it against him either, because he's doing big things and we're just trying to get him on here. So it's not promised, but we're going to try to get him on here. So Solana and ICP are up over 49% against Bitcoin since SEC labeled them as securities. Now let's just take this point right here that they're saying, and they like to FUD us, right? So just know that there's a lot of FUD out there. And what I mean by that is they are saying that SEC labeled them as securities. Well, not really. They did, but they're leaving a big part of that out. They're labeling them as securities on the secondary market on Coinbase. So it isn't the same as the Ripple lawsuit where they're going after the Ripple Foundation, the contributor to the XRP blockchain. This one is going after Coinbase, which is saying that as a secondary market product, it is a security. As a secondary product, secondary market crypto, it is a security, and that's not true. And we can fight that with the ruling on the Ripple. But despite that, let's go with the point that they're making. I just wanted to point that out so this is not misconstrued when we read this. Solana and ICP up over 49% against Bitcoin. So despite all of this, despite the FUDing, the little bit of FUD right here they put in, just kind of like a little jab to the gut, like, oh yeah, since they labeled them as securities on the secondary market on Coinbase. Put that there. So anyway, all tokens embroiled in SEC scrutiny. They see fortunes against Bitcoin amidst legal turmoil. So yeah. So all of these, definitely we're just gonna dip out of here and move on. But yeah, so ICP is doing really good against Bitcoin, and we're up massive today. So Internet Computer's bold claim gets mocked by Cardano's Hawkinson. We're gonna go into some dirty boxing today, right? And we're just there right now. We're there. We're at that place where we don't care about these haters anymore. You guys keep hating. We're trying to invite you over to our blockchain. We're trying to make your blockchain better and show you a way to integrate with a multi-chain world computer that could change your stupid, crappy smart contracts. You want to come after us, then you want to mock the internet computer and something I've put like the last 2 years of my life into, then you can get these hands, bro. You can get it. You can put them up. So Internet Computer's bold claim gets mocked by Cardano's Hoskinson. I thought this was over. I thought, you know, we already fought. We had a nice little round in the ring. Normally when men fight, that's about it. Then you call it good, man. One person wins, one person loses. And Hoskinson lost, and he went and bulked up, came back, and now he's swinging again. So Cardano's Charles Hoskinson humorously responds to Definity's claim about their new canister storage capacity, capable of storing twice the entire Cardano blockchain. Definity's Internet Computer introduces high-capacity smart contracts, or canisters, significantly enhancing the efficiency and scalability of decentralized applications, or dApps. So a friendly joust. Hey, man, if you're going to keep it friendly, the gloves might not have to come off. We can keep the gloves on, but you better watch it. In a recent online exchange that garnered In a recent online exchange that garnered attention in the cryptocurrency community, Charles Hoskinson, the visionary behind the Cardano blockchain, responded with a touch of humor to a bold claim by Definity. The latter, a significant player in the blockchain space, announced a major upgrade in the Internet Computer protocol, touting their canister smart contract's ability to hold a staggering 400 GIB in stable memory. So it looks like he says, looks like we have another third gen entering the arena. Lots of stuff to read this weekend. Welcome to Major Leagues Definity. What? Dude, we were in the major leagues already before. You just didn't notice. You didn't notice. That's the problem. You don't notice Babe Ruth until he hits a home run. You know? You don't notice King Griffey Jr. until he becomes Rookie of the Year. Right? So yeah, you didn't notice us. You did, though. You did notice. Don't lie. Now, I think that wasn't too bad. I mean, it is kind of a jab, though. Welcome to the major leagues, like they weren't doing it big before. But yeah, it wasn't too bad, though. I'm not too mad at this. You know, he's just what I think it is. I think he's a little bit worried that his blockchain isn't quite as good. So just suck it up, Hoskinson, brah. Suck it up. Collaborate with the Internet Computer and integrate Cardano into the network, and then get canister smart contract capability to Cardano. Quit being a douche. That's all I got to say about that. So we have an SNS launch right now. So I didn't know that you could do 100 ICP minimum direct commitment. So ICP Renegades might be going for a DAO. This changes my view of going for a DAO, because we might be able to get 30K, but there's no guarantee that we could get 30K. So 100, that we could definitely do that. Our token's coming soon, so definitely stay tuned for the GTR token. That's going to be fire. Now, what's going on with the price right now? What is happening? So we just saw this $12 raise of 530. Yeah, 534. We saw this to $12. Why it's good is this volume. We're number 35 in volume. We moved from number 19 to number 17 today. So we're outperforming two other blockchains right now. And we're going to go in and take a look at which ones we're outperforming and what just happened. We're number 35 in the total volume in the entire crypto market. Let's see. It looks like we beat Daicoin, and we're 16 over here. Okay, so it's 17. Well, I don't know how that just happened. Oh, we just overtook them by like 14 million bucks. We just overtook Daicoin. We were 17, and then I clicked the page and we're 16. So this is cool. ICP is absolutely tearing off right now. We beat Shiba Inu and Daicoin. We do have a big ways to go against Matic, but the more we scale up this, 11%, and this only goes up 1%, we go up 10% extra, every couple of days, we're going to get to this 7 billion pretty quickly. And we don't have nearly as many tokens as they do. So each token is going to be worth a lot more. They're only 73 cents. We're 11.75. So it takes more tokens to sell, so. But that's not neither here nor there. That's just letting you know that this is more valuable because of what it adds per token. So now let's go and look at the fear and greed index, because this is saying we are very, very greedy right now. And it looks like we're moving against Bitcoin. So we're scaling despite Bitcoin, but we're in the greed right now. The 4 hour is telling us absolutely to buy. We're going to look at this 4 hour real quick, and then we're going to kind of go over this and what this looks like for us. But this 4 hour, I was telling you, and if you watch my videos, this is why it's so important to smash the like button, subscribe, share this videos, set alerts so that more people can see this and so that you know when these price targets are going to happen. I called this falling wedge. If you look at my video, I said there's two bullish patterns in the charts, and this one played out perfectly. I said we're going to go to the top of this, which is at 1148, and then we're going to make a test right up to here at $12. Okay, this is what I said, and then we have a possible move to 13.17, and then a possible move to the top of the wedge here at $13.72. So I've been calling this for a while. We do have a possibility that we could have some sort of an inverse head and shoulders play out. We do have this shoulder right here. We do have this neck right here. And depending on where this closes at, if we even go back down and test this 1140 area right here, then we are going to be good to go. Hold on, let me grab this, get rid of this. Yeah, so we could test this area, and then we could have some sort of neckline right here. Okay, depending on where this closes, we could even say right here. Okay, and then if we get this other shoulder coming down here anyway, any kind of way, even if it's just like a candle down, a candle up, a candle down, and then boom, we break out. So there would be this nice, even a little sideways action and then a move up. So we could really see a nice move, and let's see where this would go. And I bet it's going to be somewhere close to the top of this wedge because we have this falling wedge breakout. So I want to see how close this is going to be to the top of this wedge. It might actually be the bottom part that I was talking about right here. No, so this part, 13 to 12, just like I said for this falling wedge breakout right here. This falling wedge, I said boom here, maybe here for a stop, and then up here. So this is where this inverse head and shoulders would bring us if we did get this right shoulder right here. So this is good on the 4 hour. We had a couple different falling wedges, but I do see a clear breakout point. So that's pretty good. Now, if we look at the RSI, we are moving up to 63. We can actually pump on the 4 hour, or we can go back down a little bit, test this 1150, and then, bring this down a little bit. So it depends on where this one closes to where this next pattern is going to be. So this is pretty interesting to me. There is also a possibility for a larger pattern to emerge right here with a big double bottom. Okay, we got this and we got this. This could be some sort of a W pattern that we could see a nice double bottom here from like here, back up to here, back down to here, and then a nice move up. So there could be a really nice double bottom right here that could really move us to the upside. There's three really bullish patterns in the 4 hour chart. So let's go and look at the weekly because this is our favorite chart. And we are testing this RSI. We just kind of went and bounced off of it. This is the most important RSI in the internet computer and why we are going to be a top 15 or top 5 crypto by 2025. Why it's the most important crypto with all of the news and the potential that this technology has to bring change to the entire Web2 sphere. So, okay, this looks weird. Hold on. This is a textbook bull flag. Okay. A lot of people don't even believe me on it, right? But I don't care. By February 12th, We're either going to move to the upside or the downside of this. You can call it a symmetrical triangle if you want. You can call it a bull flag. But by February 12th, we are going to be moving out of this area from 1150 down back to 1042, or we are going to be moving back to 1330 and then a possible test of these areas. This is where I'm looking to. So I'm going to show you my levels now. Let's go to the daily. We're going to look at where the buy orders are going in if we go down and where we should be looking for price movements. Okay. So on the daily, we are actually kissing this RSI right now, which is very important, which means we have enough volume to move to the upside. We are above this EMA 25 on the daily. Now I want to show you the areas where I am looking at if we do have a retracement. 1140. Good buy order. I wouldn't put a lot in 1140, 1115. Okay. Then we have a huge support at 1050 to 1050. I'd put one in at like 1057. That's a really good area to get in. Then I would be looking at 983 all the way down to about 930. Okay, this is a good area between 983 and 930 to have a buy order in. These would be really good buy orders, and my last buy order would be at $8.81. Now, if we're going to be moving to the upside, I'm looking at $12. There's a big resistance here at $12, and this is a box area that we're in right now. This has been a break up and a breakdown area, so this is critical to get above $12.03. If we can get above $12.03, we could have a possible push up here to $12.57. Then we're looking at a box area of resistance from $12.57 to $12.91. This is going to be another hard area to break out, but if we do, we're going to head back to the top of that falling wedge on the 4-hour. So these are all the areas, and you can screenshot them if you want. You can pause the video, but these are the prices that I'm looking at. $8.81, $9.30 up to $9.83, $10.57, $11.15, $11.40. And there is going to be a lot of resistance from this $11.40 to this $12 range right here. So, and we're already halfway above it. We've already tested it up into this next box, which is going to be the hardest area to break out, but this is the pump level. This is the level we use to pump out to this next box area. So I wouldn't call this a box area. This is just the lead up to the box area. That was my bad. This is the box area right here. 1203 to 1257. Okay, and then we could get a nice move up here to 1389. So we're kissing this. This is good. We have enough volume. Let's look at these smaller time frames real quick on the 1 hour. Okay, so it looks like we had an inverse head and shoulders breakout right here. Dang it, on the 1 hour, and I missed it. I missed it. So let's just do right here. I mean, dang. I would just call it right here. From right here to right there, or even like this. That's even better. So we have this inverse head and shoulders that broke out perfectly to the upside right here. Unfortunately, I did a video like 2 days ago, so this, but yeah, it went right up here. This is almost exactly where we're at right now. Now, I am seeing a continuation pattern right here. We do have an ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. We have this upward trending support line to all the way up here to this horizontal resistance that I'd actually bring down right to there. And there you have it. So we have a continuation pattern bullish on the 1 hour. We are starting to get overbought, but we're riding volume up right now. We could see this pump even higher, but we could have a retest of this $11.40 area. That just kind of depends on this volume. Let's look at the 1 hour to see. This is why I wanted to look at the 1 hour and come back over here so that we could see what we're doing in the shorter time frame when it comes to technicals and all of this other stuff. And it looks like we're very positive on this 1 hour. So it looks like we are going to get some momentum, hopefully to at least bring us back up to this $12 area or 1190 and break out of that, then that could catapult us up to this 1257 area here. But this is going to be a box area that we're going to need to get above right here from you know, $12 up to 1257 or whatever, or maybe the one higher. I think it was the one higher from 1257 to 1291. Yeah. So we got to break out of here to go up and test here. That's what we got to do. So this is going to be an area that shouldn't be too bad of resistance. But once we get up into this box area up here, then it is going to be a little bit more difficult. We might need to cool off a little bit, go back down here and then break out, or we break out, test this, and then kind of confirm this as support before we break out. That's what I'm looking for. And to the downside, I'm not seeing anything. There's no bullish Gartley. There's no double top here. I mean, you could kind of say this could be a double top, but I wouldn't call that at an angle like that. Maybe you could. There is a possibility that this could be a double top, you know, right here. So there is a possibility of going down and testing somewhere around 1141. This is the area I'm looking at. If we break down, this is a box area of support right here. So I don't see us going lower than 1116 as long as we stay bullish. If we do start to decline, there is a possibility that we do see these levels though. Not gonna joke with you about that. So on the 15-minute, let's do the monthly. I want to see where we're at in the longer term. Yeah, it does look like we had some sort of a cup and handle pattern. I didn't know if you could have it like higher than over here, but you could actually go kind of the top over here as well. But I'd like to say that this is a cup and handle. I saw this before and I was like, maybe it went too far, right? I don't know what the hell just happened there. Hold up. That was weird. But yeah, this is a possible cup and handle right here, you know? And then we get this move to the downside before moving up, right? Or at least back to the top of this wedge at or back to the top of the cup at $13.27. So I didn't think this was a cup and handle, but it definitely looks like one. It's a little bit off, but man, who cares? I'm going to go with it. And there's a possible retest of this place right here. I'm going to say that looks legit to me. You know, there was a test right back down to this level right here after a move from the downside all the way back up, you know, to this original area. And then we actually test the top of this cup over here right here. So that's pretty interesting to see that cup and handle played out on a monthly. And we're so over sold right now on the monthly, we're barely cracking 30. So in the shorter time frames, like on the weekly, because we had a lot of good weeks and we've only had like a few good months, we are getting overbought. But as the monthly and the volume goes up, this is not going to affect us too much. And we are going to get another push to the upside or a breakdown of this level. And if we break this on the weekly, we're most likely going to be seeing a $8.50 ICP. If we break this RSI, we're going down to 850. I'm telling you that. If we do it like in the next, you know, month, or yeah, next few weeks, we'll be going down to test this 850 again. If we break this volume RSI level, that's for sure. And as long as this moves up, maybe we could see it happen like right here or over here on the 12th of February. That would be crazy if it went with that bull flag as well. And we see on the 12th of February, this line go up and meet us right here. This is going to be very important to know where we're going to go. Say we kind of trend upwards, we will hit a support level. So if we do scale down, we hit this level with this, we hit this support level at 860 with this upward trending EMI 25 on the weekly, the 25 weekly moving average, and we hit massive support there and we don't lose that level. But if we do break this, we are going to be heading down to this area. Let's look and see where the 9 is, because that is another one that I am looking to hold us as support wherever it's at. So we did test that. Now the EMA 9 is at $10.13. So this could also act as support, but if this level breaks, I do see a retest of 852. Now this does look like a bullish pattern. It does look like some sort of a pennant pattern. You could say that the bull flag has to start here and scale downwards, but I like to see this whole thing connected, because you can connect this to right there and then have this bull flag right there play out. Beauty. So let's take some questions now. I think that's about all we have for the video. I want to know what you want to see about ICP. Are other cryptos doing good right now? That's what I kind of want to know too, because I'm looking to buy some other crypto pretty soon. And I want to know your guys' opinion, if I should talk about them at the end of my ICP shows, or if maybe start a new channel or something. I don't know. But let's go into some questions. Dang, we have a lot of questions. Keep leaving all them questions for sure. Volume is good. Okay. Star says volume is good. Let's go, ICP. Hey, man. What's up, Amar? Good to see you, my brother. Brother from another mother. Got 2 NFTs. Again, we just got to say that to HG Crypto. We go with Plug Wallet for airdrop, he asked. Any wallet that you have, because I'm going to have to airdrop them manually. I'm airdropping them manually so I can get your PID. And so I'll just take the address, because on NFT Geek it has the PID and the address. So what we'll do is we'll just screenshot everybody's PID. You don't have to do nothing except hold. And then when you hold, Plug Wallet should be good for it. The only problem with Plug Wallet, I would actually send all your stuff to Stoic for right now. We need support from Plug Wallet for our NFTs. So we're launched on Toniq and Entrepot. So I'd recommend using Stoic Wallet, just to make sure you can see the NFT, you can interact with it in your wallet, you can interact with it on Entrepot, Toniq. And if you do have one in your Plug Wallet, do not worry. You can't see it in there, but you can connect it to Entrepot or Toniq, and you should be able to see it in your collection part once you do that. And you can actually send it directly from Toniq or Entrepot to another wallet. So game coming out, so I should hold, not flip. These might get pricey. They're already getting pricey. We were selling them for $20 each at launch. If you got in on the whitelist sale, they were going for like $15 each at launch. Now it's $100 floor price. So yeah, I was trying to tell everybody, and we had a big community, and then we just got postponed. And I think people just didn't know we were launching is what happened, because people love these things. So let's go Bitcoin Renegades. Yeah. He said, this is my NFT. Foxfire, good evening to you too. Daniel, head and shoulder pattern forming. If we don't break 15, we are headed back down. Okay, let's go look at that. Head and shoulder pattern forming, he says. Okay, you guys are here with me, right? Okay, cool. All right, he says head and shoulder pattern. Oh gosh, you're right. Oh man, why do you have to be right on that? I didn't even see that. So yeah, there is, well, no, I don't see it on that one. This can't be a shoulder right here, because there would have to be some other bar right here. Yeah, I don't see it on here. Let's look at the daily maybe. Because you said 15, that could only be up here. So 15, are you talking about? Yeah, I don't get it. I don't see it. I don't see a head and shoulder on here at all. Let's look on the daily. I doubt it though. Okay, I see what you're saying on the daily. Okay, touche. Oh, yikes. I mean, technically, we already have a head and shoulders right here. Look at that, 971, and we did go down to about, or wait, that says 852. Yeah, 852. And we did go to 950. So this didn't play out all the way. There is no possibility over here. It's not touching. So I think we already had this play out, this head and shoulders pattern play out. It doesn't always go to the exact price target, but it did go down to about 950, which is pretty close to that price target. I think we're good on this now. There is going to be some serious resistance at this neckline on the way back up, though. If we put this neckline back up here, I'll show you kind of like that, or even a little bit lower. Yeah. So there's a shoulder here, head here, shoulder here, but we are going to have resistance up here at 1327. Not there. 1327 right here, 1305. So there's going to be a resistance here. It might actually be right here, 1370 or whatever. But yeah, right in here. And then that is going to be the area where I'm looking for us to move to the top of this wedge. Now on the daily, we also have this falling wedge that broke out as well. And we can kind of follow it all the way down here. Actually, if we do this one, we have a nice falling wedge breakout, okay, which is an area right here at about 1143. Now, if we take it back a little bit further, we also have another downward trending resistance line, which is we're testing right now at about $12. So if we go to 12, there's a definite possibility we go to 1371. Now we also have a symmetrical triangle that's formed right here as well. So we have a symmetrical triangle, but we also have a lot of bullish patterns with this falling wedge right here. We see that we have a breakout, this longer term one. We're going to go up and test $12, it looks like. You know, or test support back here at this 1133 area. So that's what I see there. That's what I see. Open arms. He said we need to welcome them with open arms, even though the bigger YouTubers are. Oh, come on, man. Man, there's room for all of us. I've had my beef with big YouTubers before, but honestly, if you're good for the community, there's no beef, man. There's no beef here. We welcome anybody to the ICP community. We aren't haters over here at all. So we'll give you a shot. Just don't let us down, man. Altcoin Daily already buying ICP in secret. They will talk about it when they have a big bag. That's probably why he's saying, should I talk about it? He's probably asking, should I buy ICP? How many people are going to tell me, should I buy ICP? If I should talk about it, that means I should buy it, right? Maybe that's his secret way of saying that. That's a very good point. Let's not be like XRP Army and welcome. Well, XRP Army loves you or hates you, man. I love that about them because they don't lie. They're not like, oh, we love you and then stab you in the back. They're like, nah. Or they're like, yeah. And they mean yeah. Or they mean nah. So I'm down with the XRP Army all day. All day. Oh, I put that there. Whoops. Jeez. Whoops. What a kitty. He's saying, what a cute kitty for that. What a pussycat. What a pussycat. Damn it. I didn't want to do that, but that's funny. Yeah, pussycat. What a pussycat. What a nice guy for mentioning ICP. What a soft guy. I don't know. Yeah, you removed it, and then I still did that, so I'm kind of tired right now. I'm in for the long run, he said. Let's go. Steve Jobs in so many ways. Yeah, for sure. SEC has no power because there are no crypto laws and regulations. SEC can say what they want, but it's only to FUD us. It has no validity. Okay. They only hate when they know you're cooking. Yep. No shot they wouldn't even mention it. Well, that's because we paved the way for these big YouTubers to be able to talk about it. Like we were the people who went in, degened, and made sure it was safe. Now that everybody knows it's safe, now it's okay for the big YouTubers to come in, right? We paved the way for you guys. At least remember us when you're making millions of dollars off of ICP and be like, damn, that Bitcoin Renegade told us about that when it was at $3. When it was at the lowest price that it ever was. He told us about it. Dang. Thank you, Bitcoin Renegade. So IRS just needs to set a tax rate for it and tell the SEC to sit down with the corner with their coloring books. Cardano, biggest weakness, it took so long to build the network. The tech aged bad with it. So the smart contracts weren't capable yet. Exactly. That it took too long to build, and their smart contracts came out too soon. So yeah, all of that. All right. Caught it at 978. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Substantial ICP bag holder. Nice. It's weird because I don't see him on plug. Yeah, you can't see him on plug right now. Okay, you can see them on Toniq. Good, yeah. So if you do have them in your plug wallet, you'll still be able to have them. It's not like you're not going to get them. You just they haven't added support for it yet. It should be automatic, but maybe they have to press a button or something, or maybe we just got to talk to them, ask them. Maybe I'll do that. So it's a retest. Okay. So remember, ICP Renegades, February 9th, we are giving away over $5,000 worth of NFTs. That's just the floor price. I'm not saying that's what it's going to be worth. I'm not saying that's what you're going to get. I'm saying that would be the floor price and the total of every single NFT. As you see, you can get any of the cool ones. This one's for 19. This is a really rare one. The only thing that's not rare about this is the scooter. That's uncommon. So I would say this is a good 90% rare over here, because if you look at the platform has lights. It's not plain, and it's not shiny. It has the scooter uncommon. It has the gold helmet. It has the sneakers, and it has the biker outfit as well. So in the background. So this is super rare for 19. I'm surprised it hasn't gone yet. This is the rarest one on here. Hold on. I think that's the rarest one. I mean, besides this one for 1 million ICP. But yeah, this one is rare. And once this is gone, the rares aren't going to be released. We do one a week. And this was minted. They minted this one. So there's not a lot of rares out there. As you see, most of them are gold and silver and don't have the background or all the things. This one's pretty rare too. This one's pretty cool. But yeah, so are these bikes. They're cool. They're uncommon, but yeah. All right, guys, get over to open chat. We're doing a lot of stuff over there. If you hold an ICP Renegade, you need to join the ICP Renegade open chat group, not the Bitcoin Renegade, the one in the description. You will have to ask in the Bitcoin Renegade group, and I will invite you into the ICP Renegades group, which is only for ICP Renegades NFT holders. Anyone who's in there now can stay in there, but we're going to kick and gate guard that community. So only people with NFTs are in that community. We're going to do lots of giveaways, tokens, prizes, but only for people that hold. So, all right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bang!